Hello guys and welcome to the first video on my channel. Today I will start to show you how we can program Bukkit plugins in Minecraft. So first off, we have to start with a new Java project. We'll call it something like tutorial for the beginning. That's not too hard. Okay, so I assume you know how to add your craft bucket to your Java project. So build path, add libraries, user library. I got mine already. Where is it? Oh, I actually don't. Right, okay, let's create a new one. So this will be the craft bucket library. Okay, so we add a jar, an external jar to be exact. Go to our server and press on craft bucket. That's pretty much it. Apply and close, finish, and your craft bucket is ready to go. So we have, first of all, we have to make our plugin YML. So let's do that. Let's create a file in tutorial plugin.yml. There we go. We got it. So our main will be in, let's create it before we write it here. Okay, tutorial. So we go to our source file, create a new package, call it whatever you want. Normally you write your website address backwards, but if you don't have one, you write me.yourname, and that's in my case it's Immortal Matty, or just Matty, that's better I think. Dot and your plugin name, which is tutorial in my case. You name it whatever you want to. Okay, so that's our main package. Now we have to create our main class inside that package. I'll just call it main. It's just like something I do. You can call it the name of the plugin again, so tutorial, but it doesn't really matter. Mine's main. That's just how I do it. So now you have your main class. Let's say that it is our main class by letting it extend the Java plugin. Right, that's how it goes. So we have to import the Java plugin. Just do it like this, or press Control-Shift-O to import it automatically. So that's how it goes. Our main class is now created, so we can now define it in our plugin YML. me.matty.tutorial.main. So that's the path to our main class. Now we have to write who the author is. The author is me, so it's Matty again. Now the name of the plugin is tutorial. Tutorial. Can't write at the moment, don't know why. So the version is 1.0. Let's just keep it at 1.0. And for the future we have to write comments. We need it, but we don't have to really use a comment, but we will make one. I don't know if we will make it this episode. Okay, so in your comments you just write 2 spaces and type your comment. In my case it's tutorial, like this. Press space 2 times again, and now we have to write, we have to start first with the description, which is it basically shows plugin info. That's what I write there. And we have to also do the usage. The usage is slash tutorial. But actually we don't have to write anything there, because if you type the comment you just see what the usage is. Oh wait, we'll just do it to show you. Tutorial tutorial. Okay, so now we can also do aliases, which is basically another version of the comment. If we type tutorial and an alias might be tut, we can also type tut and the same comment will be executed. But if you want to add more than one version, more than one alias, you have to do it in those brackets, like tut and maybe tuto, I don't know, something like that. Okay, so that's pretty much the first comment. It doesn't work yet. We have to still create it. For that, we'll create our public void on enable. Okay, I like to keep my plugins very organized, so I'll create a new package. You don't have to do this. You can whatever, do it in the same package, or even write the code in the same class as your enable thing. But I like to make a new package for my comments, so that's what I'll do. Make a new class in the comments package and name it whatever, maybe just name it tutorial command. Okay, so we created our tutorial command. We have to implement the comment executor. That's what we do. Now we have to implement the unimplemented methods because they're not implemented yet. Now they are. Okay, let's start with the sender. I just name it sender. That cmd for comment, label, and args for arguments. Okay, that's how I do it. You can do it however you want. Again, these are just variable names. It doesn't really matter what you name them. Okay, so now we can do something whenever we type the comment. It won't work now, but we have to implement it in the main class later if we do it this way. So first of all, something has to happen if we execute the comment. We check if the sender is a player. So if sender instance of player, then, because I don't want to send a message to a comment block, which is also possible, or to the console even. So now that we check whether the sender is a player or not, we can be sure that the sender is a player. So we'll create a player, or we basically cast the sender to a player. So we can send him a message. Player p equals player sender. That's how you do it. P dot send message. Wait, send message like this. So now we can send him a message. Okay, let's think. The message should be, if you execute the comment, you will get a message like this in red. You have successfully executed the tutorial command. Okay, so that should be the message if it works. That's just a very simple comment. You can, of course, you can do like really huge stuff with it, but it doesn't matter right now. Okay, so now that we can really use the comment, we have to implement it in the main class. Okay, so how do we do it? We just write get comment. Now it wants a string name, and the name will be tutorial. Now here it's very important to write the same name as you did in your plugin YML. Okay, see, I misspelled it. Tutorial dot set executor. Now we can set it new, and now we have to create our tutorial command class. New tutorial command. It's as simple as that. Now we have created our first plugin. Let's see if it works. File, export, Java, jar file, tutorial, browse, plugins, call it tutorial. Okay, finish. And now if we see our plugins, there are two plugins, Observer, Helper, and Tutorial. Okay, what do we have to do? Help. Okay, our comments let's see, all comments for tutorial. Okay, let's see, help tutorial. We have one comment for tutorial. It's /tutorial. It shows the plugin info. Okay, so tutorial. You have successfully executed the tutorial command. As you can see, there's the /tutorial which we wrote in the usage. We still can edit it and like just delete this part, which I pretty much always do, but I just want to show you how it is, what it does. And as you can see, the description is shown right here. And if you execute, because we also wrote some aliases. Let's try that. Tut, same command. See, we executed it 2 times. Let's write something. Okay, and /tuto was the third one. Still worked. See, that's how you do it. Execution of commands. We will be doing some more advanced stuff next episode, but that was it for today. I just wanted to keep it really simple and really short that you can understand it. If you have any wishes for any future episodes or any future tutorials, just let me know. I will show you. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. See you next time. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you. That's more important even. If so, be sure to come back in the next episode of my tutorial series that I just started now with this tutorial. And yeah, that's pretty much all from me. See you guys. Goodbye.